20 feet 3 inch into 23 feet 10 inch is equal to 483 square feet house design. And now start this design. This is 20 and this is 23. Very small size house plan, house design. And this is outside wall, this is wall marking and single line, and this is wall single line diagram. Okay, and this is wall, and this is 5-inch wall, and this is 5-inch wall, this is 5-inch wall. Okay, next this is wall, and this is wall, partition wall. Okay, and now this is wall, and this is wall, internal partition wall. Okay, and this is wall, this is stair, okay, this stair trade and riser, trade and riser, and trade and riser, and this is trade and riser, okay, and straight and riser. Okay, this is stair. Okay, and now this is line diagram. Okay, and this is stair, door. And now this is gate, entry, gate. Okay, and now outside wall, now this is outside wall. Okay, this is outside wall, and this is 125 outside wall. This is wall, this is wall, wall, and this is wall. Okay, this is partition wall, 125 mm. Okay, this is partition wall, this is partition wall. Okay, now this is window, this is window, and this is window, and this is window. Okay, and now details. Drawing 5 feet 10 inch and living, dining, and this side distance 9 feet 7 inch and this side 7 feet 2 inch. Total distance 13 feet. Okay, total, and this side distance 9 feet 7 inch. And door, this is door, this is kitchen room, and this kitchen room distance 6 feet. Okay, and this side distance 9 feet 7 inch. Okay, this is door, and this is master bedroom. Okay, this is master bedroom, and this side distance 14 feet 0 inch and this side distance 13 feet 0 inch. Okay, this is door, this is bath plus latrine and 5 feet 7 inch, and this side 5 feet. Okay, door, this is store distance 7 feet and this is 5 feet. Okay, and cost, building cost total 6 lakhs. Okay, and column, this is column. Okay, this is column. 9 numbers column provide this building, and outside wall 5 inch wall and inside wall 5 inch wall. Column size 10 inch into 12 inch. Okay, and now this plan, this is south and north. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Like and share.